friend, this is Jim from pullet. Today I'm standing in one farm in China. This farm has more than 30 years in poultry business. And this house is use our pullet cage now. And the cage is installed, so let's go and visit it. We can see the pullet cage is installation now. Today we will talk about the cage system, drinking system, feeding system, menu remove system, and climate control system. The cage puts in five rows and 4 tiers. One house will receive 33,600 chickens, and the house width is 50 meters. The length is 60 meters. The cage frame is made by hot galvanized steel. It is very stable. Our cage has no cones and no webbing. It can keep the cage have a long life. The distance of 2 cage frame is 1.2 meters. And one dog can put 10 birds in here. And each bird will have 375 centimeters. Partition mesh in the middle divides the cage to parts. It's very easy for chicken feeding and epidemic prevention. It is prevent deformation of the bottom mesh. Cage mesh is made by graphene. It touches smooth, and it can be used more than 20 years and not regassed. There are 2 nipple drinkers in each door. It's imported from Holland, has good quality. The PP plastic mesh is for baby chicken. It can protect its feet, not hurt. We design the labeling system for different age chicken drinking. This part is for feeding machine stop area. The length is 1.5 meters. As you can see, the PP menu built under the cage bottom. The menu are collected from each tiers and transported to the house outside. The thickness of menu built is 1.1 millimeters, and it can have a long life service. The menu structure is designed with top tied and bottom loose to avoid the belt swing. Table can be adjusted. The part of menu with the chicken feather can drop itself, and the remaining part can be cleaned by the scalpel. All the menu will drop in the horizon to menu conveyor. Transport to the down cut by vertical menu conveyor.
Alexander, what's the length of this cage?
It's 1.2 meters.
But I have remembered you have used the 1 meter cage. Why not use it still?
In the beginning, we used 1 meters. There no partition mesh in the middle. Its operation very difficult for the chickens, epidemic prevention. So after more learning, waiting this began. Add the partition mesh in the middle. In the first, it can prevent the deformation of the bottom mesh. The second is When the chicken growing, we need to make the epidemic prevention. If there are two birds, it's very difficult for the farm workers to know which the bird is ready. So we designed this system with two doors. It's more easy for operation.
Is bottle feeding how it's working?
Yes, it's for the feeder adjuster. The adjuster is for different age birds. When they are 1 week, we always put the small plastic feeder in. After that, the feeder will take out. Then it's the working time of the feeder adjuster. During 2 to 4 weeks, the adjuster will live in this place. You can see in this place. Then the chicken eat it from this part. After 4 weeks, these birds can eat it directly from the feed top. So the adjuster no need to move anymore. It will put in this place.
Sunday, why your menu belt design this shape? Why not a straight line like this?
We designed the menu belt connection part into a trapezoid. Compare with the straight line, it can increase the stress area and extend its service life.
How is the speed?
It's working 2 meters in 1 minute.
If you have no idea how to start a chicken business, just tell us. We can design the house driving and farm solutions to you. About the feed, we can tell you. No worry about the electrical power, we can help you. No worry about installation, we can teach you. Don't be hesitant. Just contact with us.